Hey guys, it's your girl Jay and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be making some pancakes. Okay, I do make my pancakes from the box, but hey, I don't know how to make them from scratch. I never did. But this is how I make my pancakes. Now, I make my pancakes to have crispy edges. That is the only way I would eat pancakes. The only way. I would not eat pancakes like with butter and all of that. Nope. I want my pancakes to have crispy edges. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make pancakes with the crispy edges, because that's how I grew up. And I think it's the best. I really do. So all you need is a box of pancakes. I use the pearl milling kind, and some water and some oil. Okay. And so you can put how much flour you want from the box, put how much you want from it inside a bowl, put a little water in it, and then you're going to want this consistency like you're baking a cake, right? You don't want it too watery, but you don't want it too thick as well. The thicker you have the pancake mix, the thicker your pancake will be when you cook it, and you don't want the bread to be stuck in your throat, okay? You don't want to be stuck like a Popeye's biscuit. You want the pancake to go down easy, okay? So you want the consistency of the batter to be like you're baking a cake, like a moist cake, okay? So this is kind of like how you want it, okay? You want it to, like, when you put it in the spoon and pull it down, you want it to go down pretty easy, okay? So we're going to put our pan on the medium to start out, and then once it gets hot, I want you to turn it down. Don't keep it at the medium the whole time, because you're going to burn your pancake, okay? And then we're going to put some oil in there. Put as much, well, not as much as you want, not like you're frying the pancake, but you want the oil to cover the whole pan. But you're going to see what I'm talking about in a minute, okay? Just hold on. So when you put your batter inside the pan, it's going to look like this. You're gonna be like, what's going on? I don't see anything. But you're gonna see it start to like fry on the edges, okay? Now you see it frying on one side, but you're not seeing it fry on the other side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up the pan and you're gonna start swirling the oil around, so the oil can get around like the whole pancake. Okay, and another trick is, once you know that the bottom is done, when you see those bubbles start to form, then you know that the bottom of the pancake is starting to cook, and it's like almost time to flip it over. Okay, because again, you do not want to overcook your pancake. You don't want to burn it as well. Okay, so once you start seeing those bubbles like that, get your flat spatula and you're gonna flip it over. Okay. So you're going to do it just like this. And you can also check the bottom too. I do that as well. But, and every time I cook with oil, it never like sticks. So you don't have to worry about like, is it going to stick or, something like that. It's not going to do that. Okay. So I don't know if you can see it, but you can see kind of like the edges, kind of a little crisp a little bit. That's how I like my pancakes, okay? And also, too, when you flip over your pancake, you don't want to immediately smash it down. And you can do that with French toast, too. Like, when you flip a pancake or a French toast, you don't want to automatically, like, smash it down, because it's going to give you, like, a flat pancake and a flat French toast. It's gonna be like swooshed a little bit, so you don't want to do that. So my next pancake, every time I put a new when I want to make another pancake, I add more oil, because when you cook the pancake, the oil kind of disappears a little bit, and I want to make sure that I have enough oil in my pan that my edges is gonna be crispy, okay? Because that's how I like my pancake. That's how I grew up. I've never like eaten pancakes from my house that my grandma made that don't have crispy edges. That's just how we grew up in the South down here. But that's how I love my pancakes. Like, when I go to a restaurant, I don't really order pancakes, because I know how I like my pancakes. I order French toast, because you can't go wrong with French toast. But pancakes, I'm picky about pancakes. But yeah, that's just how I eat it. Okay. So like I said, again, you'll see those bubbles starting to form. And then that's when you're going to want to get your spatula and flip it. Okay, now every pancake is not gonna look the same. Every pancake is not gonna come out the same. Like my first pancake don't look like this pancake, okay? But as long as I have my crispy edges, I'm fine. I don't care. As long as I have those crispy edges, I do not care how the pancake look, as long as it's not burnt. Okay? But just know that every pancake is not made equal. All right? The pancakes are sisters, not twins. All right? So just remember that, okay? But yeah, this is how I make my pancakes, and I love it this way. So if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.